Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie, and today I'm bringing you along for a clean and decorate with me, a New Year reset that is much needed. After putting all the Christmas decor away, I have been doing the reset little by little, and today we're focusing on the floors and few areas of the house that need to be reset. We're starting in the foyer, then moving into the powder bath, the mudroom, and finally the dining room. Over the holidays, my son came to spend time with us and brought along his two big retriever dogs. They are the sweetest and cutest dog, and they're very friendly too. But oh my goodness, the shedding was unreal. There was dog hair everywhere. I have been cleaning all the baseboards and plantation shutters already, and today I'm finishing dusting the areas that needed to be dusted, and then we're going to tackle the floor. I had the robot vacuum cleaner running all day long just picking up fur, so it's definitely time to give these floors a deep clean. I have been dividing the cleaning task into smaller areas because over the holidays I was actually under the weather with a sinus infection. So I have been taking it slowly and listening to my body. Little by little, everything is coming together, and honestly, that's been working really well for me. Before I continue with the rest of the floor, let's go ahead and empty the waste tank and look at all the dirt that this vacuum mop picked up. The dogs had a blast playing in the yard, but they definitely brought half of it back inside with them. This is exactly why I love doing a deep clean at the start of the year. Now we're heading into the powder room and then the mud room. I actually scrubbed the powder room really well yesterday, so today there is just a quick mop needed to freshen up the floors and make everything feel clean again. Now we're heading into the mudroom. No heavy cleaning today, just a good mop to take care of any leftover sand and the footprints from the dogs. Yesterday I cleaned the bench area and also decorated. I will show you how this bench area looks after we finish cleaning. Now that this area is all clean, it's time to decorate for the winter months. During the winter, I like to keep my decor simple and warm, nothing too heavy or overwhelming, just soft, cozy elements that make the space feel inviting. I'm starting by decorating the entry table with this metal tray from Hobby Lobby. Then I'm adding some simple greenery, also from Hobby Lobby, to bring in a little life and texture. These round decorative bowls are from Michaels and add a nice neutral touch. To finish off the look, I'm layering in this vintage book, and on top of it I'm placing this candle holder from Amazon. Everything comes together so nicely. It feels cozy and calm and very welcoming, which is exactly the vibe I love for the winter months. The best part is that I didn't have to buy any new decor. I chopped my decor bins and pulled together pieces I already had to create this little vignette. It's amazing how mixing and styling items differently can make everything feel brand new. I love that it gives the space a fresh look without spending anything, and it still feels cozy and intentional. Now we're moving on to decorating the powder room. At the beginning of the year, I like to pick up new disposable hand towels and a fresh hand towel for the towel rack. I got these at Home Goods. They're simple changes, but they make such a big difference. Small updates like this instantly make the space feel clean, refreshed, and ready for the new year. Now I will show you how I decorated the bench in the powder room. I added pillows from IKEA, hung a basket from Michael's, and included some greenery for a natural touch. On the top shelf, I styled vintage pottery from an antique shop in New England, and I added a picture from Michael's with a decorative cloth, and finished with a tin container and greenery that I bought years ago on a trip to Europe. And now we're going to go to the dining room to start cleaning it and then decorating it. In the dining room, I still need to dust and clean the furniture and then clean the floors. I already dusted all the baseboards and plantation shutters yesterday, so we're making good progress. I'm using a microfiber cloth to clean all the furniture. This dining room set is from Ethan Allen and is almost 23 years old. Can you believe it? And it still has the original seat covers and they're immaculate. When you take good care of the things and teach your children to be mindful and care for the furniture in their home, your pieces can really last a long time. And it also teaches your children to be mindful and caring of the things that they own. I was at Home Goods the other day and came across a beautiful decorative mirror at a great price and just perfect for the wall above the buffet. So at the end of the video, I will show you how it looks after my husband installs it. I'm so excited to see it all come together. Now that all the furniture is clean, it's time to clean the floors. After that, we'll move on to decorating the hutch and the dining table. Look who showed up. Stella was sleeping in the loft and decided to come down. She is 15 years old and had a great time over the holidays playing with my son's two big dogs. They got along really well. Now that everything is clean, let's decorate the hutch. I'm adding this wicker basket from IKEA and some greenery. It feels simple and natural, just enough to bring warmth to this area. I'm keeping the tablescape decor simple. I'm starting with this rustic table runner that I got at Amazon a few years ago. On top, I'm adding this long cutting board from Home Goods. For the centerpiece, I'm using this crystal vase from IKEA and filling it up with the orange slices I use for Christmas, along with some greenery. It kind of looks like a little terrarium. I love using oranges during the winter month. They're not only beautiful, but they're also said to be auspicious. To complete the decor, I'm adding this beautiful tray with some fruits and a beautiful green color. I actually bought it many years ago at the Italy Pavilion in Busch Gardens. It's made in Florence, Italy. It adds such a lovely, timeless touch to the table. Please comment below and let me know which decor piece is your favorite. I hope you enjoy coming along with me today to clean and decorate the house for the winter. As you can see, you don't need to buy anything new to refresh your home. Just using a little imagination and creativity can give your decor a whole new look, making it intentional and memorable. But before we finish the video, let me show you the decorative mirror we put on the top of the hutch. The wrought iron piece that was previously on top will be finding a new home in the house. Stay tuned to see where I decide to place it. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the videos I have included at the end of this one. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to follow along. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.